On today's episode, Steve Irwin, we are some laughing birds. The laughing birds are a particular breed of birds. They laugh at the most particular times, almost as if they speak human language. Birds, what you been up to lately? They're telling you their life story. And as a special add-on, we have Shyla. Now Shyla's a shy puppy, but in her heart she's good. But in this physical world, she's bad. We'll be like, pee outside, Shyla. She pee on the floor. Shaking my head. Gotta love her. Gotta love her. Right, birds? They thought that was funny. Well, that's all we have time for on this episode of Steve Irwin.